Hi, kids. It's Brilliant Career TV. Learn with us. Let's go.
Hello, kids. Let's listen the story. Union is strength. Once upon a time, in a big green jungle, there was a lion named Leo. Leo was a strong and kind king of the jungle. All the animals, big and small, liked and respected him a lot. Leo made sure everyone in the jungle was safe and happy. Because of him, the jungle was always full of life. The trees grew lots of fruits, and the rivers were clean and clear. Every animal felt safe with Leo. But one day, a big storm came to the jungle. It blew very strong winds and knocked down trees. Some animal homes were destroyed, and everyone got scared. Leo didn't panic. He called all the animals together and told them not to worry. He gave them shelter and helped them rebuild their homes. With everyone's help, the jungle became beautiful again. The animals learned that by working together, they could do anything. Hope you enjoy the story. Bye-bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.